All right, what's up guys? My name is Jake Keenan. Today we're gonna be learning frontside 360s on what I would call a pyramid. These guys call it a driveway. Whatever it is you guys call it, we're doing threes on them today. If you're not familiar with frontside and backside, I'll break it down for you real quick. If your stance is regular, for a frontside spin, you'll be going to the left. If your stance is goofy, for frontside, you'll be going to the right. All right, I'm gonna do a couple for you real quick so you can see what they look like, and then we'll hop into the tutorial. So let's go. So before you even get started with these, make sure you're real comfortable doing 180s on obstacles and 360s on flat ground. Okay, so something that beginners forget to do all the time with a frontside 360 is they don't set up their shoulders to spin before their lower body. When you do a 360, your upper body is actually going to initiate the spin and your lower body will kind of follow you around. So when you do it, you want to bend your legs down, crouch. Sometimes you can wind your shoulders up a little bit if you want. And then as you start to jump, pull your shoulders around and your upper body will be twisted. Your lower body will still be facing forward. And at this point, your head should be looking kind of behind you. And what I do is I look straight down to the ground and I spot where I'm gonna be landing. Once your body, upper body, is all the way turned around, you're gonna twist your lower body around the rest of the spin. Upper body spins halfway and then your lower body follows right around. All right, so now that you know what you need to do for your 360, find the obstacle you wanna work with. And I would recommend just doing some straight airs over it, getting comfortable with the speed. The speed you need for doing a straight air is pretty much the same you need for doing a 360 over it. And the only other thing to remember is when you're doing this on a ramp, you're gonna be in the air a little bit longer. What I do personally when I'm in the air, if I know I'm gonna be floating a little longer, I'll spin my upper body, keep my head looking down at where I'm gonna land, and I just hold that for a little bit. And then once I start coming down towards the ramp, then I'll rip my lower body around real quick. So if you're trying to do this and you don't really feel like you have the confidence yet to go the whole gap, sometimes I'll just do a 360 and land on the flat on the top and then ride it in. You can just keep trying that and going a little further and further every time until you're going from bank to bank. All right, that's it for frontside 360s. Keep practicing them. It's a perfect thing to do just about anywhere in the park. If you got any questions for other tips you want for different tricks, leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn other tricks, we also have plenty of them on our YouTube channel. You can subscribe and go check out the playlist. That's it. Thanks for watching. Later.